Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Vijay Girturi. And in this video, I am going to deploy a Super Mario game on AWS EKS. And we are going to provision this EKS cluster using Terraform and Jenkins, guys. And before starting this video, I want to tell you something, guys. Previously, this project is done by Ajay Kumar Yagreddy brother. I found his blog and I am doing this project, guys. You can see this is the blog link. You can directly search for Mr. Cloudbook and you will find this blog, guys. You can see deploying Super Mario on Kubernetes. And this is the blog, guys. He kept this blog in detail, guys. You can find his blog. And to see his YouTube channel, I will show his YouTube channel, guys. And you can see here, this is his YouTube channel, guys, Mr. Cloudbook. And you can find here, you can see he done this project 2 months ago, deploy Super Mario game on AWS EKS cluster. And and in my video, I'm going to implement Jenkins, guys. Using Jenkins CI/CD, I'm going to provision EKS cluster, guys. And this is the main difference. I'm using Jenkins to provision AWS EKS cluster, guys. And let's start our video. First, we need to go to EC2 instance. We need to create EC2 instance, guys. First, directly go to EC2 and select launch instance. And here I'm giving the instance name like Mario. And I'm going with Ubuntu AMI. And here I'm going with T2 medium, guys, because here I'm integrating with Jenkins and Docker and AWS CLI kubectl. So I'm going with the T2 medium, and we need to give the key name. I'm going to create new key pair, so I'm giving with Mario. I'm going with Mario, guys, and create key pair. And you can see this is the key pair. And previously I have created a custom VPC, so this is the custom VPC. And I'm selecting all traffic security groups, guys. And I'm going with 15 GB, guys. Minimum 15 GB I'm going. And let's launch instance. And you can see, guys, it is in pending state. Let's go and create IAM role, guys. Directly go to users and create user. Sorry, not create user. You need to go to roles, guys. You need to go to roles and create role. And the use case I am giving EC2. You can see, guys, here EC2 and next. And here I am giving administrator access, guys. You can directly give here EC2 full access and EKS full access. That is also no problem. But to avoid any errors, I am going with administrator access, guys. And next. And the role name I am giving EC2. Let's give Mario. I'm going with Mario and I will directly create role, guys. Create role. Failed to create Mario role. Role name already exists. Okay. It was saying role name already exists. Let's go with EC2. Create role. You can see role has been created. Let's go to roles now. Let's remove this. You can see this is the role, guys. Let's select this. Here you can say I have given administrator access. So let's connect this IAM role to our EC2 instance, guys. You can see our instance is in running state. Now go to actions, security. You need to select modify IAM role. And you need to select this role here, guys. You can see. Let's reload this. It was not showing EC2. Let's come here. And let's go to Mario once. Mario. And here also you can see. Let's go with Mario. Let's select Mario, guys. Mario. And update IAM role. Now let's connect to our virtual machine, guys, using SSH. Directly come here. Session SSH. We need to paste the public IP here, guys. And here you need to give Ubuntu. And we need to give the path of our key pair, guys. Mario. Now you can see it was connected. Now let's update by using sudo apt update -y. And now let's come to root guys, sudo su, and let's clear this. And now let's install Docker guys, sudo apt install docker.io. You need to give y. So it will going to install Docker guys. And now let's see the Docker version. And you can see this is the Docker version 24.0.5. And now let's install Jenkins guys to provision our EKS cluster. In this video, I am going to provision EKS cluster using Jenkins guys. And let's come here, and you can see here this is the repository which I am using for my Super Mario, and I will directly copy this, and I will come here and vi jenkins.sh. So it will install Java and it will install Jenkins guys, and let's save this. When I hit ls, you can see this is the file, and we need to give executable permissions to this file guys. So sudo chmod 777 jenkins.sh. You need to give like this guys. So when I hit ls, you can see it was converted to green color. So when I hit ll, you can see read write execute, read write execute, read write execute. It has full permissions. Now let's execute sh jenkins.sh. Let's give exit, and you can see Jenkins now it was installing. Sorry, you can see guys Jenkins has been installed. And now let's see the Java version. Java hyphen version. You can see this is the Java version 17th version. And now let's see Jenkins version. Okay, let's clear this. Now let's try to connect to our Jenkins guys. Directly come here, copy the public IP address guys, and come here and paste it here guys. And you need to give port 8080. The default port number of Jenkins is 8080 guys. So you need to give 8080. And to get this password guys, you need, here we are having two ways guys. Directly come here and you need to do systemctl status Jenkins. And you can see guys, this is the password. You can see this is the password. And to get another way, you need to come here guys and you need to copy this path up to here. Copy this and come here. And you need to do sudo cat and we need to give that path here guys. Directly copy this path. And you can see guys here password. This is the Jenkins password and this is also Jenkins password. You can generate in two different ways guys. And I'll copy this. Copy. And I'll come here and I will paste it here guys. Continue. And we need to install some of the plugins guys in Jenkins. So it will install some of the plugins. So meanwhile, let's do something guys. And this is our GitHub repository. And using this script, I have installed the Jenkins guys. And let's come back. And this is the Super Mario repository guys. Directly copy this repository URL and come here and clear the screen. And you need to do git clone, and you need to give the repository URL here guys, and enter. And when I hit ls, you can see Super Mario. And let's enter into this directory cd Super Mario. When I hit ll, you can see all the files guys. Here you can see script.sh. Let's enter into this file guys, vim script.sh. So here guys, in this script, first it will install Terraform guys. After that, it will install kubectl. And the third, it will install AWS CLI. At last, it will print message like echo. By using echo, it will display the message like installation completed successfully. Like that, it will display message guys. And let's save this. And we need to give executable permissions to this file guys. So sudo chmod 777 script.sh. When I hit ll, you can see it was converted to green color, and you can see we have given full permissions to this file. So let's clear the screen ll, and let's execute this file guys, chmod 777 script.sh. Let's exit this. Sorry, sudo su ls. We need to execute. We need to enter into this folder path guys, Super Mario ll, and we need to execute this guys by using sh script.sh. So it will going to install Terraform, kubectl and AWS CLI guys. And meanwhile, let's go to our Jenkins, and you can see this is our Jenkins. It is going to install guys. It was installing some of the plugins. Let's come here and let's wait here guys. And you can see it was installed, and let's clear the screen and let's see the versions guys. AWS hyphen hyphen version, and you can see this is the AWS version, and let's see Terraform version, Terraform hyphen hyphen version. And you can see guys, this is the Terraform version, and let's see the kubectl version. Kubectl version hyphen hyphen client guys. And it will show you the kubectl version. This is the kubectl version guys. And meanwhile, let's go to our Jenkins server, and you can see it was installed, and the name of this I'm giving Vijay, username Vijay, and password I'm giving Vijay, confirm password Vijay, full name Vijay, and email I'm giving vijay@gmail.com. Save and continue. Okay, save and finish. Start using Jenkins. You can see guys, our Jenkins is ready. And now we need to install two different plugins guys. So you need to go to manage Jenkins, and you need to go to plugins, and you need to go to available plugins, and here search for Terraform guys. Terraform. You need to select this, and I'm going to select with Blue Ocean guys. This is not necessary guys. To see in a detailed way, I'm going to install this guys, and I will explain this Blue Ocean plugin after later. For this project we need only Terraform plugin guys. Let's install this, and you can see it is installing. And meanwhile, let's come here, and we need to give which Terraform. So it will show the Terraform path guys. So let's come here and let's wait for some time. And you can see guys, our plugins has been installed, and you need to select this guys. We need to restart our Jenkins. So directly select this, and you can see please wait while Jenkins is restarting, and we need to wait for some couple of minutes guys. And you can see guys, our Jenkins, we need to give the username. My username is Vijay, and password is Vijay, and sign in. And you can see guys, this is our Jenkins console, and directly go to dashboard. Okay. And you need to go to manage Jenkins, guys. You need to go to manage Jenkins and you need to go to tool section to integrate our Terraform. So directly come down, you can see this is the Terraform plugin previously we installed, and select this add Terraform and remove this, and I'm giving the name like Terraform and add installer. Sorry, uncheck this, and we need to give the path. So when you select here which Terraform, it will show you the path. Directly copy up to here, guys. Copy this, come here and paste it here, guys. Directly paste it here, and you need to apply and you need to save, guys. So let's directly create our EKS pipeline, guys. So I want to show you something. First, let's create EKS-TF. You can give any of the name, guys. I'm going with EKS-TF, and we need to select pipeline and OK. And this got old bills. I'm going with 3. And here we need to select this project is parameterized, and you need to select choice parameter, guys. And I will explain you this later. So we need to give action, apply, and destroy. We need to give same like this, guys, and we need to write pipeline here, guys. So I will share this pipeline with you, guys. Previously I have created a pipeline, so copy this and come to Jenkins and paste it here, guys, and I will explain you this pipeline, guys. And to generate this pipeline we need to use pipeline syntax, guys. Directly use pipeline syntax, and you can see when we write a pipeline here, pipeline and agent any is common, and these are the stages. We need to give stages, and the first stage of this pipeline is git checkout, guys. So it will take the source code from our GitHub repository. So to generate this directly, I am going to generate this again, guys, for you. And directly first copy our repository URL, guys. This is my repository URL. I am going to copy this, and you can see this is the branch is main. And let's go to pipeline syntax, and here we need to search for git, guys. You can see git. We need to select this, and we need to paste the repository URL, and we need to give the branch name, guys. Previously I shown main. We need to give main, and we need to generate this, guys. And you can see this is the pipeline screen, that means repository. You need to copy this, and you need to come to our Jenkins, and you need to paste it here, guys. And this is how you can generate this, guys. And the second stage is it will, previously we install Terraform plugins, guys, so it will check the Terraform version by using Terraform hyphen hyphen version. And in the third stage, guys, you can see here dir. Here I will show you in detail, guys. When you go to your my GitHub repository, you can see here EKS hyphen TF. That means in this in this directory I was having files. That means in this files it contains the resource information to create EKS cluster, guys. And when I go to my EKS, you can say I will search for your EKS. I don't have EKS cluster here, guys. When I go to clusters, you can see I don't have here even one cluster also. You can see here, wait for some time, guys. It was loading. You can see, guys, even I don't have even one cluster. So I am going to create EKS cluster, guys. This is my repository. The repository, that means the folder name is EKS-TF. When you come here, and you can see I am changing the directory to by using dir, guys. Directly come here and search here for dir. You can see change current directory. You need to select this, and you need to give the path of the directory, guys. Directly come here and copy this path. Directly copy this and come to here and paste the path here, guys. When you generate this, you can see dir EKS-TF. That means our pipeline will send, that means it will show route to this EKS-Terraform path, guys. And in the fourth stage, it will validate our code, guys, by using Terraform validate. It will check the code, it is good or not. And Terraform plan is nothing but it will show the resource information which we are going to create, guys. And here you can see Terraform action. That means here we are passing two parameters like apply and destroy. When we give, it will ask if you want to create infra or if you want to destroy infra. When I create apply, it will going to create infra, guys. And this is about this pipeline, guys. And let's apply. And let's save this and let's run this pipeline, guys. You need to select build with parameters. And you can see whether you want to create infra or you want to destroy the infra. Right now I don't have any infra, so I'm going to create infra, guys. So we need to directly select apply and we need to build. So we need to select build and it will build our pipeline, guys. So it will create EKS cluster. You can see output parallelly, guys. Here you can see it was throwing an error. Let's sort it out, guys. And you can see referred S3 bucket may must have been previously created. You can see it was saying like we need to create S3 bucket, guys. I forgot it that. Let's come back. Let's remove this, guys, directly. And let's go to our GitHub. And in this, you can see, guys, in main, I will show you something. In main.tf file, it contains the resource information, guys. Like we are going to provision EKS cluster and we are going to create. Here you can see we are going to create EKS cluster with the T2 medium instance, guys. And in backend.tf file, we need to create S3 bucket and we need to paste the S3 bucket name to here, guys. That's why it throw an error. Let's copy this and let's directly go to S3 and I will open a new tab and you can see this is S3 and I'm going to create S3 bucket here, guys. Right now I don't have any buckets. You can see in buckets I don't have any buckets. Let's create bucket and I'm going to give name here, guys. You can give any of the name, but you need to give that name in this backend.tf file, guys. You need to give that name here, guys. You can create any of the name, guys, and directly come here and I will directly create this bucket and you can see bucket has been created. And now let's directly go to our Jenkins pipeline and let's again build this, guys. Apply build and let's see the outputs parallelly and let's see in blue ocean also, guys. You can see it was passed, I think so. You can see it was passed and let's go here and you can see the output parallelly. And in blue ocean you can see in detail, guys. It was really amazing. Blue ocean, you can see it is in last stage. It is going to provision EKS cluster, guys, and you can see it was creating now. Our EKS cluster is creating, guys. You can see, guys, it was completed just 10 seconds. You can see 20 seconds has been completed and it takes nearly 10 minutes to complete, guys. 9 to 10 minutes to complete, guys. To create EKS cluster, it takes nearly 9 to 10 minutes, guys. You can see it is in creating state. Creating. Let's directly come here. And you can see 40 seconds has been completed, guys. And you can see here, guys. It was completed just 1 minute 16 seconds. You can see time here, guys. And I will skip this all, guys. It takes nearly 10 minutes to complete, guys. And you can see guys, here our cluster has been created. It was created in 9 minutes 40 seconds, and you can see the output here. And these are all the outputs guys, and that's why install blue ocean, it is a very, it will show in a graphical interface, and you can see this is it was showing in a very beautiful way when compared to old way. This is the old way, and when we install blue ocean, this is the difference guys. And you can see it was throwing success message. And let's remove this, and let's go to our cluster guys, EKS. And you can see our cluster is in active state. And when I reload this, this is our EKS cloud. This is our cluster name. And when I go to this, you can see our cluster is created in 10 minutes. And when I go to compute, I am created with one node group. Desired size, you can see one. And I'm created with one node group, guys. And let's go to clusters, and let's go here, guys. And we need to perform some of the commands, guys. We need to give AWS EKS update hyphen cube config hyphen name. Here we need to give our cluster name guys, and this is our cluster name. I'll directly copy this, and I'll come here and I'll paste it here. And region, we need to give hyphen region. In which region we have created this cluster, it was asking like guys. And you can see I was created in Mumbai region, AP South 1. So I'm going to give here AP South 1. You need to give same like this guys, and you can see AWS EKS update hyphen cube config hyphen name EKS. This is our cluster name, hyphen region, and this is our region. And I'm doing enter, and let's see ls. Here you can see guys, we need to create deployment. You can see deployment. Once I will go to deployment guys, vam deployment.ml. Here you can see guys, the kind which I'm creating is deployment, and the name of the deployment is Mario hyphen deployment. I'm creating with two replicas. That means it will create two pods, guys. And here you can see this is the name of that means this is the image name of my sorry, Mario game, guys. And I will show you. This is in my GitHub. Sorry, Docker Hub. Here you can see guys Mario, and this is the image name which I'm using, guys. And you can use this image name also. And this is the image name guys, and the container port is 80. And I will save this, and we need to execute this deployment.ml file, guys. So we need to use kubectl apply hyphen f deployment.ml. We need to do same like this, guys. And when I hit kubectl get all, you can see the deployment here, guys. And you can see this is the default what we called this is the default one, guys, which is created by Kubernetes. And this is the one deployment which we have created right now. You can see Mario hyphen deployment. And let's do ls again. Here you can see we have created deployment, and we need to create service.yaml. In that we are having load balancer. I will show you vam service.yaml. Here you can see, guys, kind is service, and the name of this is Mario hyphen service, and the type is load balancer, guys. Here using load balancer. When I come here and when I go to my EC2, here when I go to EC2 load balancers, you can see here, guys, we don't have even one load balancer. So when I execute this file, guys, it will automatically create load balancer, guys, and I will show you that also. So we need to give again kubectl apply hyphen f service.ml. You need to give same like this, guys. So it will create load balancer service, guys. So let's give kubectl get all, and you can see, guys, load balancer service. And this is our DNS name, guys. And let's come here, and when I reload this, you can see here load balancer. You can see, guys, this is the load balancer which is created by Kubernetes. And let's again come here, guys. And let's clear the screen. Let's give kubectl get all. And you can see all the cluster information, guys. And let's describe the service, guys. You can see here Mario FN service. Let's describe this. So kubectl describe service, and we need to give the name of the service, guys. So service is Mario hyphen service. I'm going to describe this. Copy, and I'm going to paste it here, guys. And you can see all the information, guys. And you can see load balancer ingress is, you can directly copy this to access Super Mario game, guys. Directly copy this, come to web, and paste it here, guys. And you can see, guys, this is the final output for our project. And you can see, guys, our game is also working, and this is deployed to EKS cluster again. Yes, guys, this is the final output for our project, and you can see this is the final output for our project. And let's view this. And you can see that is our final project, guys. And let's try to access it using load balancer URL. You can see you can access from like this also, guys. Directly copy this, come here and paste it here, guys. You can access same like this also. And this is our final output, guys. And let's do kubectl get all. Let's clear the screen and let's do kubectl get all. And we need to remove the service, guys. First, let's do kubectl delete service, and we need to give the name of the service, guys. We need to copy this Mario hyphen service and enter. So it will going to delete load balancer, guys, and it takes nearly 10 to 15 seconds, guys, because it is load balancer. So when I come here, when I go to load balancer, so when I reload this, you can see I don't have load balancer because our load balancer has been deleted. You can see it was deleted. When I hit kubectl get all, you can see we don't have load balancer, guys. And now let's delete deployment also. Let's delete this deployment. So the command is kubectl delete deployment, and we need to give the name of the deployment, guys. Mario hyphen deployment. Copy this and paste it here, guys. So when I hit now, kubectl get all, we don't have deployment file also, guys. And you can see this is the default which is created by Kubernetes, guys. And now we don't have load balancer. We have removed that, and have shown you the final output, guys. So when I reload this, it will won't work, guys, because we removed the service. That means load balancer and deployments and everything. So it was loading, but it will not work, guys. And directly, let's come here to our Jenkins again. And first we need to remove this EKS cluster, guys. So you can see first we need to remove this EKS cluster. So you can directly remove this EKS cluster from Jenkins, guys. Go to Jenkins and you need to select build with parameters, and you need to select here destroy, guys. You need to select destroy and you need to select build, guys. So and it takes nearly again 9 to 10 minutes to destroy this EKS cluster, guys. Now this pipeline will remove this EKS cluster, guys. Let's go to instances. And you can see when we create EKS cluster, at that point of time, new instance is created with T2 medium, guys. Now it will this pipeline will remove this EKS cluster and this EC2 instance, guys. So let's directly come to our EC2 and let's remove this also, guys. Let's come here and let's see the output parallelly here. And you can see it is in destroying state, guys, and takes nearly 10 minutes to destroy this, guys. And let's see in blue ocean, and it will show in a really graphical way. Let's come here and you can directly go here and you can see here, guys, it was destroying. And you can see it was counting time also. 1 minute 8 seconds has been completed, 10 seconds like this. When you drop down this, you can see it was completed 40 seconds, 50 seconds has been completed, guys, and it takes nearly 9 to 10 minutes to complete this, guys. And let's wait for that time. Yes, guys, you can see our cluster has been destroyed. And let's go to our cluster and let's reload this. And you can see we don't have any cluster, it was destroyed. Let's come to instance, and when I reload this, you can see our instance has been terminated. And you can see here success message, guys. You can see here success message, and our pipeline has completed within 8 minutes 17 seconds, guys. And you can see in blue ocean, it was also throwing success message. It was completed in 8 minutes 34 seconds, guys. And this is all the pipeline stages, and these are all the pipeline stages. And you can see output here, guys, and this is all the output. And yes, guys, this is all about this video. And sorry, let's come here, and we need to remove this instance also, guys. When we remove this instance, Jenkins and each and everything, Jenkins, Docker, and each and everything, it will not work, guys. And you can see this is all working, guys. Jenkins is working and everything is working. So let's try to remove this EKS, guys. Sorry, this instance, guys, Mario instance. Select this and you need to go to instance state, and you need to select this terminate instance, guys. You need to select this, and you need to select terminate. So it will remove this EC2 instance, guys. So when I go to Jenkins, it will not work, guys. Now when I reload this, you can see anything will not work, guys. It will throw an error. You can see it was loading, but it will throw an error, guys. You can see the site can't be reached. Let's remove this. You can see the site can't be reached. You can see the site can't be reached. When I go to instances, when I reload this, you can see it is in still shadowing state. And yes, guys, you can see it is terminated. And yes, guys, this is all about this video. And if you want more videos related to cloud and DevOps, or if you want to do more projects related to cloud and DevOps, you can feel free to comment me in my comment section, guys. And yes, guys, if you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And see you in the next video. Bye, guys.